Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday and yesterday training was actually pretty okay, so today I hope that I get a decent training as well. So I don't doubt that I'm gonna have a bad training today, which is good because having a good training session is always better than having a bad training session. So yeah. Anyways, I don't have anything else to say. I haven't adjusted my training routines yet. I haven't updated them. Maybe I'll try to update them on maybe tomorrow or Thursday, something like that. And then during the weekends, I'm gonna go ahead and readjust them as well. So that's my plan. And yesterday I started my cut. My cut's going well. I'm like 200 to 300 calories down from my original calorie intake. So yeah, everything's going well. Not really stressed these days, so yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into the training. So I'll see you guys in the training. Alright guys, so I just finished my training, and let's get into the training reflection right away. So today I felt really unmotivated to train for some reason. I think I had the strength, but I felt super unmotivated to train for some reason, and I think that it is due because I've been training for the same training routine, almost the same training routine. Even though if I adjusted it, I only added like sets or some reps or some durations, etc. I didn't really change how I trained. So I've been training like this for the last 3 months, and now I think I'm getting super tired of it and bored of it. So I think it is a really good time for me to switch up my training, starting from my next training, which is gonna be on Thursday. So I think starting from Thursday, I will try to switch my training routine, and I will try to focus more on my volume instead of my technique and intensity. So starting from Thursday, I'm not sure how I'm gonna train, but I think I will focus more on volume, and I'll just do like several exercises, and for each exercises I'm gonna be doing like 2 sets for the intensity and the technique work, so it's not gonna be that difficult, but I will try to focus more on my volume. Of course, I'm not gonna full send my training for volume. I will try to build up to my I'll try to build up my volume, and I'll just start really light starting from Thursday. So I think that's gonna be my new training routine for Thursday. And yeah, overall I have to say that today's training was really bad, like 2 out of 10, because I felt super unmotivated to train. And I think if I switch up my training routine, I'll be more excited to train and more motivated to train. So I think that's gonna be a good idea from starting from Thursday. So I'll see you guys on Thursday with my new training routine. So see you guys then.